The only difference between this side and the other side is the other side has a little wire that goes in here, which if the brakes really wore down, which would have to be really worn down, the little light comes on in your dashboard. So what I'll do is I'll show you that now going on, just so we've covered that difference. Right, so we're now at the stage with the caliper on. The only difference to the driver's side to the passenger side that we're showing you is you've got this wire here that runs to the brake shoe, and basically that's for the little sensor that was to tell you if the shoe really did get worn down, and basically it slots into the shoe like that. I'm showing you it here because it'd be difficult to show you on the caliper, which is where we're going to do it. And basically that wire, you see the old one still intact, goes up under this plastic guard, and under there's a plug and a little clip on that plastic, and there's the plug there, and it's the same sort of plug they use for the ABS wiring and these sort of wires that give you a sense if the pads were to really sort of wear down. So we're going to put that on, then I'll just show it to you when it's on. So I just thought I'd show you where the plug is. If you come up underneath the car, and you'll recognise it from the carbon filter thing that's there. There's the spare wheel. You just see the edge of the plastic wheel arch, and up there is the plug, and as you can see we've removed it from that little clip, but that's where it clips in. So I just thought I'd show you up there where that is. Right, so that's the new plug in, and it is just a little bit on here, if you turn it round, that you push that little button there and pull it out, and now it's just a case of putting it back into that clip, and then we'll route the wire round and get it into the caliper. And just to show you, there's the other little clip that the wire's mounted onto under this plastic wheel protector. So then, as you can see, the wire then comes down, it goes through this little cap here, and very job to show you, it goes into the shoe there, just as hopefully I showed you better on that shoe out of the caliper. So I just thought we'd show you that, because that's the only difference on this side to the side we're mainly showing you.